Our department, which is Computer Science Department, has a very strong graduate program. Currently, we have more than 100 students. Half of them are PhDs with their research areas focusing on cybersecurity and networking, big data and software system, and intelligent and autonomous systems.
In our lab, one philosophy that in addition to pursuing high quality research, we aim to produce products that could be used by people. So our products have to get out of the lab.
This is a tightly knit community. In bigger universities, the groups are massive. They're like a group of 200 people, 300 people. So when that happens, your distance to your advisor grows and you are just working with a very small group of people. Here, you have the opportunity to work with every single professor in the department. And then this tight-knit connections enable you to think outside your small domain, and then that's where creativity comes from.
But I also really enjoy living in Reno.
You have art shows, you have food festivals, you have movie festivals. There's always something going on. There's tremendous opportunity for you to go out and experience the city.
There's so many opportunities. In the summer, you can go hiking or biking or swimming. And in the winter, you can go skiing or snowboarding.
Students have an ample and flexible choices over which areas they would like to pursue.
We cover lots of areas. They're very important interests for in computer science and engineering. We have systems research, we have intelligent systems research, we have software engineering research. A lot of these areas that are very much thought of by the companies and by everybody who's hiring in computer science.
If we see what the professors are doing and what their actual work is and where it's getting published and recognized, you will see it's on par with the best universities, not in US but the world.